Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start our lesson number 4. My father meets a lion. Students, this story is taken from a famous novel, My Father's Dragon, written by Ruth Styles Gannett. She is an American writer of children's stories, and in this story, we are going to read about Elmer Elevator, who is father of this writer. She is writing about his father, and she is telling what happened when once his father met a lion. So let us read up the story. Students, this story is about a 9-year-old boy, Elmer Elevator, who went for a journey or travels to a wild island to save a baby dragon. In his backpack, he has lollipops, hair ribbons, rubber bands, a toothbrush, and some chewing gums. So, backpack means bag. He is having these things in his bag. So, on his way, he met many adventures and also talking animals. Now, let us read about them. In this passage, we are going to read how Elmer helps a lion who is in trouble. So, let us read it first. My father hadn't gone very far when he heard an angry animal roaring. So, students, who roars? A lion roars. Ding blast it. I told you not to go blackberrying yesterday. So what happened when he heard lion roaring? He was very much afraid, and he started thinking when what would happen now when his mother will definitely scold him for going for pick up the blackberrying the previous day. My father crept along and peered into a small clearing just ahead. Means he moved towards a small clearing just ahead. Means he hid himself into a small bush. A lion was prancing about, clawing at his mane, which was all snarled and full of blackberry twigs. Lion was coming dancing or jumping and clawing at his mane. Mane means this is mane of a lion. You can see here if the mane is very much messy and the twigs and the grass is there stuck into his mane. He is very much angry. Why he is angry? Uh, because his mane is full of twigs. The more he clawed, the worse he became, and the madder he grew, and the more he yelled. Madder means you can say mad. It is the comparative degree of mad, madder, maddest. He grew, and more he yelled at himself. Yelled means shouting in anger. He is shouting at himself in anger. Okay. My father could see that the trail went through the clearing. Now Elmer Elevator saw that the lion was passed away. So he decided to crawl around the edge in the underbrush. Now decided to crawl to the another small bush near in the forest. Underbrush means bushes, and not to disturb the lion. He crawled and yelling, and the yelling grew louder and louder. As he was crawling, the yelling was growing louder. It means that he is crawling towards the lion. Okay. Just as he was about to reach the trail on the other side, trail means the footsteps of lion. He was just going about to reach the footsteps of lion. Suddenly what happened? The yelling suddenly stopped. My father looked around and saw the lion glaring at him. Why the yelling stopped? Because the lion had seen Elmer Elevator, and he is now glaring at him. He is staring at him, or he is watching or looking at him. My father looked around and saw the lion glaring at him. The lion, you can see, lion is glaring at Miss Elmer Elevator. The lion charged and skidded to stop a few inches away. Charge means he took his position to attack. Okay. Who are you? The lion yelled at my father. Now lion asked Elmer Elevator that who is he? My name is Elmer Elevator. Elmer Elevator answered that my name is Elmer Elevator. Then lion asked, where do you think you are going? I am going home, said Elmer Elevator. What happened now? That's what you think, said the lion. Ordinarily, I would save you for afternoon tea, but I happen to be upset enough and hungry enough. Means the lion is saying, if it is normal or ordinary time, I would save you for the afternoon tea or for snack. But I am very much hungry this time, so I'll eat you up right now. And he picked up my father in his front paws to feel how fat he is. Means Ruth stylist Gannett is telling about his father. His father is Elmer Elevator. The lion picked up Elmer Elevator to what? To measure how fat he is. So students, what happened next? We will read in our next video. Thank you.